The reason why our software and our fleet management system, for example, makes all the difference is it gives you the right data in an easy to read and interpret way.
The greatest value is the control of your fleet. If you don't install a Tigo in general optimization, you will never control your fleet.
It is important for us that we have the Fleet Manager platform, where we can monitor our systems completely and keep an eye on certain parameters.
Monitoren können, wo wir gewisse Parameter im Blick haben.
So you can have a dashboard within our software with all your installations.
Having everything at hand, everything in one screen, it's fantastic.
You can control what is working, what is not working, and you can proactively take actions.